Good morning, this is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is Thursday, November 12th, and futures look like it's trying to reverse, but it will look like it's opening down for SP 500 and the Dow. NASDAQ has been really weak lately, so we'll see what happens. This may be a false positive. Earlier in the week, a lot of these indexes hit new highs, and I wanted to show you what that means. For many of us, 401k plans probably hit new highs. And I jumped into a 401k plan I have here, and you will see that I am definitely at a new high. And what I mean by that is you can see the balance is 48,000, but I want to show you something else. So I'm going to toggle into Facebook, and I do post data from the past, so if you want to look, let's take a quick look. Here you go. We'll find an old, and I want to see what the balance is here. And here you can see, let's just zoom into this. As you can see, this is an old slide from August, and what I showed was the low from this year, which was March 25th, was 28,000, and then you can see how in August, it recovered to 45. Since August, I really haven't contributed anything to the plan, and you'll see what I mean. It says 4707 is what I contribute. And since that time, you see this is updated as of today, or as of yesterday, it only added another $500. So if you do the math, $500 for putting money in for the last 2 or 3 months is not a lot. So you can see that most of this gain came from the market hitting new highs earlier this week. And also keep a look at here, the total return rate is about 13% in a typical 401k plan year to date for this year. What I really care about is going here to the S&P for this year. I want to make sure it shows year to date. And you will see that the year to date is the blue line here, and it shows. Okay, you need a comparison, so we'll just pop something in there. And you'll see that it's 10% is the S&P. So my 401k plan is outperforming slightly the S&P 500 this year. So that's good news, and most of you will have the same experience. Most of you should have similar results in your 401k plan because the indexes were at all-time highs. So this is a short video. I'm not going to show too much trading stuff today. And the last thing I'm going to show you is I didn't do a lot of activity yesterday. I was a busy day. I had a doctor's appointment and then I had to go somewhere else. So I did do one cover call and one cash secure put, and both of them were rolling. They were rolling out, and I'll show you what I ended up doing. I updated my spreadsheet. I popped it in here. I filled in all the these fields that I needed. So this is a cash secure put here. So that's the way I list them. Cover calls are listed as itself. I always format this, realign the numbers, go to the top here. I always do a pivot for the month. So because yesterday was very little activity, here you go. It was a $30 gain for yesterday, not much. You go into here, hit the refresh button, and you'll see it. That's the update for this month. And that's the end of this short video. I just wanted to show you my transaction logs, and I placed it from my brokerage account into the spreadsheet, and I always pivot it. So anyway, as always, please like and subscribe. I'm hoping everybody's feeling good and profitable this week. Like I said, everybody has new highs on their 401k plan or their 403bs or whatever investment accounts you're having, especially if you're indexing. If you're doing individual stocks, you may not be at all-time highs. Please like, subscribe, share this with others. Let's get our message out to help as many people as possible. I want everyone to win with money. Let's do this together, and let's do this $1 at a time. As always, have a profitable day.